saturated solution. My dear students, the two types of matters are there, pure and mixture. As you know, most of the things in nature are mixture. The rocks in the ocean are, even the atmosphere are mixture of a gas, mixture of different types of the gas. But when the material they get combined together in a certain proportion chemically, then that is called compound. So the component of mixture, if they get combined chemically, they will be called as compound. My dear students, the example of this oxygen, two molecule of the oxygen that will combine together and form the oxygen gas, that is chemical combination. Salt, that is the chemical combination. Water, that is the chemical combination. But the sea water, atmosphere and the soil, means mitti, these are called as mixture. So dear student, in the next page you will see here about the this differences between the pure substance and mixture. So what kind of differences that you are noticing here? The differences are like the pure substances. This pure substances consist of the particles of only one kind. केवल एक तरह के बने होते हैं जो प्योर सब्सटेंस होते हैं, लाइक शुगर. जबकि मिक्सचर में क्या होता है? मिक्सचर्स कंसिस्ट टू और मोर टाइप्स ऑफ द प्योर सब्सटेंसेस. When sugar and water you will mix, then that will be the mixture. Then pure substances melt and boil at a fixed temperature. Pure substances that can melt and boil at a fixed temperature, while mixtures do not melt and do not boil at the fixed temperature. These are the differences, dear student. And you can do an activity so that you can prove the things. And this activity means, this activity like you have to identify that whether that is the mixture or not. So this, in this activity, dear student, you can indicate that whether that is mixture. Like this soil, that is a mixture. Lemonade, water, that is substance. Water, that is the pure. Silver, pure. Fruit cream, that is a mixture. Then milk, that is a compound, that is a pure form. Aluminium, that is a pure form. So the soil, this is a mixture. Fruit cream, this is a mixture. And all these things are these are the pure forms. So by this activity you can understand, my dear student. And now see this again. What kind of the types of the mixtures are there? The types of the mixtures are homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now see what is homogeneous. Homogeneous have the uniform composition, for example, air and tea. In the air, the uniform composition of oxygen, uniform composition of carbon dioxide, nitrogen. So air एंड टी, चाय जिसको बोलते हैं, चाय बनती है तो उसमें एक प्रोपोर्शनेट होता है, एक यूनिफॉर्म कंपोजिशन होता है, दैट विल बी द होमोजीनियस. शुगर सोल्यूशन, दैट विल बी द होमोजीनियस. बट heterogeneous compositions are, heterogeneous mixtures are, they do not have the uniform composition. For example, soil, मिट्टी में कोई भी यूनिफॉर्मिटी नहीं होती है. ठीक है, तो बच्चों इस तरीके से आप समझ सकते हो. देन मिक्सचर कैन बी फाउंड इन डिफरेंट स्टेट्स. मिक्सचर कैन बी फाउंड इन डिफरेंट स्टेट्स लाइक solid mixture, stone in wheat, solid liquid mixture, stone in heat, solid liquid mixture, soil in water, solid gas mixture, that is fog, smoke, जाड़े के दिनों में जो होता है, liquid mixture, that is oil in water, liquid gas mixture, that is gas in cold drink, gas mixture, that is gases in air. So these are some examples of the different types of the mixture that you are looking over here. My dear student, now let us see how you can separate the different component of the mixture. So explaining this, the separation means the removing one thing from the other, or the act of the separating the components of a mixture. You must have observed many instances of separation in your house. For example, small stones are removed from the pulses or rice before cooking. जैसे कि दाल या चावल में से जो छोटे छोटे कण होते हैं उसको निकाल लिया जाता है पकाने से पहले. So this will be called winnowing, hand picking. This will be the hand picking. Then sedimentation and decantation. So muddy water, take a muddy water, and the sedimentation is the method of separation of two components in such a way that heavier substance settle down. मान लीजिए कीचड़दार मिट्टी है तो पानी तो हल्का होगा, कीचड़ भारी होगी, तो कीचड़ that will be settled down in the bottom, and the settling down of the material in the bottom, that will be called as the So my dear student, this is the sedimentation and decantation, and this muddy water, the mud gets settled down in the bottom of a pot, and the supernatant, जो ऊपर पानी रह जाता है उसको बोलते हैं सुपरनेटेंट, एंड जो नीचे मड बैठ जाता है उसको बोलते हैं सेडिमेंट्स। तो आफ्टर सेडिमेंटेशन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिकेंटेशन विल बी देयर, एंड डिकेंटेशन मीन्स apart from mud, the almost pure water that get separated, that is called decantation. So it's sedimentation and decantation are the simultaneous process. Now loading. Dear student, loading is a process by which if you add some heavy metals in the muddy water, then you see that the heavy metals along with the mud that get settled down very easily because of the gravity. So gravity always attract the heavy things, heavy metals towards them. And dear student, you can understand the suspended particles of gas, liquid, or if raindrop is there, how raindrop is come down. So if something get mixed in the raindrop, then that raindrop will come down, settle down, and that will be called the loading. So my dear student, this page is able to explain to you by the certain activities, and the activities are the to separate the clear water from the muddy water by loading. तो इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, एक एलम का पीस लेंगे, एलम मीन्स फिटकरी, and tie to a long cotton thread. एक लॉन्ग कॉटन थ्रेड से उसमें डाल के उसको चलाएंगे मडी वाटर को, उसके बाद स्थिर कर देंगे उसको. लोअर द एलम पीस इन मडी वाटर एंड जेंटली मूव इट अप डाउन, ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा करेंगे. फॉर फ्यू मिनट द मड विल सेटल डाउन एंड क्लियर वाटर विल कलेक्ट एबव द मड. तो आप देखेंगे इससे वाटर काफ़ी क्लियर जाता है और मिट्टी बिल्कुल नीचे बैठ जाती है, केवल हेवी थिंग मिलाने की वजह से, स्टिर करने की वजह से. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड लोडिंग. सो यू कैन प्रूव दिस प्रोसेस बाय दिस एक्टिविटी itself, by the help of the alum. And dear student, this is the filtration. This is the process. This filtration process is the process by which we can use a filter paper, gauze paper, so that the mixture can be separated very easily. And you can prove this by an activity that take a teaspoonful of chalk powder in a glass of water. एक ग्लास के वाटर में एक ग्लास वाटर लेंगे, जैसे एक ग्लास वाटर लिया, ये पानी इसमें भर दिया और इसमें 1 चम्मच डाल दिया, चाक पाउडर डाल दिया, ऐड कर दिया. देन यू सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ. आप इसके बाद देखेंगे क्या होता है कि you will notice that the chalk powder does not dissolve in water simply. because it is insoluble in water. You can separate chalk powder from water by using filter paper or a piece of cotton, sandpaper, tin cloth, filter paper, etc. Can also be used as the filters. सो इसको एक्टिविटी आप करके देख सकते हैं. सॉइल टू वाटर, कुछ मिट्टी वाटर में मिला दीजिए, उसके बाद उसको एक फ़िल्टर पेपर से पर रख के छान लीजिए लाइक दिस, और इस प्रकार से आप इसको क्लियर कर सकते हैं इस बाई द डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटी. तो प्यारे बच्चों, नाउ सेपरेटिंग सॉल्युबल सॉलिड फ्रॉम इट्स सोल्यूशन. जो सॉल्युबल सॉलिड्स है कैसे उसको निकालते हैं. सेपरेटिंग साल्ट फ्रॉम साल्ट वाटर. नमक पानी का घोल है तो कैसे सेपरेट करेंगे, उसको बॉयल कर देंगे. बॉयल ए पॉट ऑफ हॉट वाटर एंड पोर्ड इन ए जार प्लास्टिक कंटेनर. Add 2-3 tablespoons of salt in mixture. Stir liquid. Tie the stir around the pencil and a small stick. So you will see here that the balance the pencil on the top glass jar with the stirring hanging inside the jar. So my dear student, by these activities you can confirm the process of separation of the solid from liquid, and this method is used to obtain the soluble solid from its solution, like sugar, water, sugar solution, salt solution. Sea water contains several salts, so when sea water get vaporized, then the salt will be deposited at the ground, and by this manufacturing of the salt, sodium chloride takes place, which is widely used in our food habit. So dear student, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this is the explanatory, and as during the online class it is explaining on the board. So thank you for watching this slide. I hope that you have understood this. So thank you very much.